Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Dodge journey with the key. First, ensure your vehicle is in park or neutral for safety. Then, fully insert your key into the ignition cylinder. Once the key is in, turn it clockwise to the on position. This powers up your vehicle's electrical systems, preparing it for engine start. It's a simple first step to get you on the road. Now that your vehicle's systems are active, it's time to engage the starter. Turn the key further clockwise to the start position. Hold it there briefly until the engine fires up. As soon as the engine starts, release the key immediately. It will spring back to the on position. Avoid holding the key in start for more than a few seconds to prevent damage. If your Dodge journey doesn't start right away, don't worry. First, check your battery. A weak battery is a common culprit if the engine doesn't crank. Also, ensure your steering wheel isn't locked, which can prevent the key from turning. Sometimes, simply wiggling the steering wheel while turning the key can help. Always confirm you are using the correct key for your specific vehicle. To keep your Dodge journey starting smoothly, remember a few key points. Always remove the key when you leave the vehicle to prevent theft and battery drain. Never force the key if it resists turning. Investigate the issue instead. Regularly check your vehicle's battery health, especially before cold weather, to ensure reliable starts every time you need to go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.